The birth of the universe dates back to a massive explosion that occurred 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang. Time, space, and matter came into existence during this event. Before it, there was nothing, just concentrated energy and matter. This explosion began the process that shaped everything we see today. But how could such a colossal explosion have happened? Scientists are still looking for answers about the very beginning of the universe. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies were moving away from each other, which confirmed that the universe was expanding. This observation showed the universe wasn't static, but was constantly growing. If the expansion continues, how will the universe end? Hubble's observations helped scientists determine the age of the universe and predict its future. The universe's expansion is accelerating due to dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up about 68% of the universe. Dark energy is responsible for pushing galaxies further apart, but we know very little about it. How will dark energy influence the future of the universe? Scientists are working hard to understand this force and its long-term effects. The Big Crunch theory suggests that the universe's expansion will eventually slow down and reverse. All matter, energy, and galaxies would collapse back together. This contraction could result in a singularity, similar to the state of the universe before the Big Bang. Could the end of the universe resemble its beginning? The heat death, or big freeze, is a theory that suggests that the universe will continue expanding until stars burn out and galaxies drift apart. As space continues to stretch, the temperature of the universe will drop. Eventually, all energy will be spread so thin that nothing will be able to sustain life, and the universe will fall into complete darkness and cold. This is a slow and silent death for the universe. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe might not be the only one. Instead, there could be multiple universes, each with its own set of physical laws. Some theories suggest that the end of one universe might lead to the creation of another. If parallel universes exist, what are the implications for the end of our universe? Black holes are some of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the universe. Their gravity is so intense that even light cannot escape their pull. As black holes consume matter, they become even more massive. The eventual fate of black holes, whether they evaporate over time or merge into a singularity, plays a key role in the universe's end. Quantum mechanics is the study of the smallest particles that make up the universe, and it challenges everything we know about reality. At the quantum level, time and space behave unpredictably, making it difficult to imagine the end of the universe. Could the end of the universe be tied to a quantum event? Perhaps the very fabric of space-time will break down. Some scientists propose that the end of our universe might not be the final end, but the beginning of another cycle. According to the cyclic model, the universe could collapse in on itself and then be reborn. Each new universe would emerge from the collapse of the previous one. If this theory is correct, the end of the universe could be the start of something entirely new. If the universe keeps expanding indefinitely, what will the future hold? Will galaxies keep moving apart forever? And if so, what happens to time and space? The idea of an infinitely expanding universe brings up the question, how will this expansion affect the structure of the universe over billions of years? Dark matter makes up a significant portion of the universe, but it cannot be seen directly. Scientists know it's there because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. Dark matter is thought to play a key role in the structure and evolution of the universe. If dark matter were to disappear, the entire fabric of the universe might unravel. Time is an essential part of the universe, but could it come to an end? If the universe reaches a state where all movement ceases and all matter is cold and dead, time may lose its meaning. Some theories suggest that when the universe's expansion halts or reverses, time itself may slow down or even stop. While the universe's expansion is accelerating, what if one day it slows down? The big slowdown theory suggests that the expansion might gradually slow until the universe reaches a stable state. If this happens, galaxies will stop moving apart, and the universe could become stagnant, waiting for its ultimate fate. Stars play a central role in the universe's evolution. Every star is born, lives, and dies. When stars reach the end of their life cycle, they can explode in a supernova, creating the conditions for new stars and planets to form. But the death of stars could also contribute to the end of the universe, as they no longer provide energy and light. As the universe approaches its end, what happens to humanity? If the universe cools and stars burn out, how will humans adapt? Some suggest that by this time, humanity might have evolved to survive beyond Earth, finding new places to live in the universe or even beyond. What role do we play in the universe's final chapter? The end of the universe isn't just a physical event. It would also impact our mental and emotional states. How would humanity cope with the idea of the universe's end? The psychological effects of the universe's death, such as fear, hope, and uncertainty, would shape how we perceive our place in the cosmos. The Great Collapse theory suggests that eventually the universe's expansion will slow and reverse. Matter and energy will contract into a singularity, and time and space will merge. This collapse will bring the universe to an end, where everything converges into an ultimate singularity. What happens to humanity's collective consciousness when faced with the universe's end? How do we process the idea of our inevitable demise? These questions have philosophical, spiritual, and existential implications that stretch beyond science. It could lead to new beliefs and understanding about life and the universe. As the universe fades into nothingness, could it leave behind any remnants? The theory suggests that the universe may erase all traces of life and structure. Stars, galaxies, and even planets may vanish, leaving only emptiness and silence, symbolizing the true end. Although many theories exist about the end of the universe, none of them are definitive. Science, philosophy, and psychology continue to ask questions about the universe's ultimate fate. Perhaps these questions will remain our greatest discoveries before the end of everything. If you enjoyed this video and want to join us on more cosmic explorations, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts about the universe's end, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update and keep exploring the mysteries of existence with us.